Hello everyone, 3 mobile data not working. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, this video will show you how to fix it fast. Let's get your data back up and running. Why 3 mobile data not working, iPhone and Android? Service outages in your area, incorrect network settings on your device or router, weak signals due to location or obstructions can disrupt connectivity. Reaching your data cap may prevent further usage until the next billing cycle. Misconfigured access point name settings can block mobile data connection. Fix 1. Check 3 mobile server status. There might be an issue with 3 mobile server error. Go to 3 mobile check coverage page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your postcode and click check network status button. If you find any issue reported, it will be resolved automatically within 2 hours. Try after some time. Fix 2. Check 3 mobile coverage. There might be a coverage issue in your area. Go to 3 mobile check coverage page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it, enter your postcode and click check coverage button. Fix 3. Check airplane mode. Turn on or off airplane mode to refresh the network connection. After you have restarted the device, you will be connected to the new strong network connection. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn on airplane mode. Fix 4. Restart your device. A simple restart can often fix connectivity issues. Turn off your phone for a few moments and then turn it back on to refresh the network connection. To restart an iOS device, press and hold the side and the volume buttons until the slide to power off slide appears, then turn it off and back on. For Android, press and hold the power button, select restart or power off and then turn it back on. Fix 5. Change network mode. Changing the network mode on a mobile device can help optimize connectivity and resolve issues related to signal strength and data performance. Changing network mode on Android. Open settings, look for network and internet or connections, mobile network mode. If you have a dual SIM, you can choose the network mode for each SIM card. From the drop down menu, select the network mode you want, example 4G or a 5G, 2G or a 3G. Mode doesn't work and it will be set automatically. Changing network mode on iOS, open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, cellular data option or a mobile data option, choose voice and data to see your network options. Select from available options like 4G, 5G on or a 5G auto depending on your device capabilities. Fix 6. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can resolve data networking issues by restoring all network related configuration to their default state, which help eliminate problem caused by corrupted settings, outdated connection or misconfigured parameter. To reset network settings on iOS, open the settings app, go to general, select transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and then choose reset network settings, enter your passcode to confirm. For Android, access the settings app, navigate to system on general management, select reset option and then tap reset network settings, confirm the action to complete the reset. Fix 7. Check APN details. Changing APN settings can resolve data issues because they dictate how your mobile device connects to the internet and communicate with your carrier's network. For iOS devices, open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, tap on cellular data option or mobile data network. Enter APN detail APN 3.co.uk MMSC HTTP mms.um.3.co.uk 10021/MMSC MMS proxy mms.3.co.uk APN type Internet Plus MMS and MMS port 8799. Leave the other remaining fields empty. Exit the settings. Changes are saved automatically. For Android devices, open settings, network and internet or connections, go to mobile network access point name plus icon to add new APN. Enter APN details, name 3, APN 3.co.uk, MMSC, HTTP, mms.um.3.co.uk 10021/MMSC, MMS proxy, mms.3.co.uk, and MMS port 8799 and APN type Internet plus MMS. Leave the remaining fields empty. Tap Save to confirm the new APN settings. Fix 8. Data limit check. Verify whether you have exceeded your mobile data limit, which might prevent further usage. Most service providers send alerts when limit are reached. If necessary, top up now. To check your balance on 3 Mobile, 3 app, log into your My3 account using website or app and view your balance on the main dashboard. Call Dial 444 from your T-Mobile to hear your current balance. Text send the message balance to 50272 for a free text response with your balance details.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.